Okay, good morning students. Today the remaining problems of Heron's formula will complete. Today especially we are focusing on exercise 12.2. Almost many of the problems I have covered in my previous video. Of course, I have not taken exactly the problems in the textbook. I have changed the numbers so that whatever the problems are in the textbook, that will be the homework for you and you can solve those problems in the exercise. Now, here is a problem. A floral design. This is the design made on a floor. On a floor, the design is made. It is having 16 tiles. It is having 16 tiles, triangular in shape. Listen here. They are all triangular in shape. See here. These are all triangular in shape. There are 16 tiles. There are 16 tiles. See here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 tiles are there. Triangular in shape, sides of which are 6, 8 and 10 centimeter. I will say this is a 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. They are the sides of each triangle. That is all are same shape, same size. 6, 8 and 10. Find the cost of polishing. Whenever the tiles are fixed on the floor, they will make the polishing for its smooth surface. Okay. They are asking you, what is the cost of polishing at the rate of rupees 1.5, means 1 rupees 50 paisa per centimeter square. Okay. Whatever be the cost, first we have to find out the area of 16 tiles. Before that, first we have to find out what is the area of one tile. Okay. Let me start. So whenever I want to find the area of one tile, naturally I have to go for the Heron's formula because all the three sides are known, and to apply the Heron's formula I need semi-perimeter. So let me start with semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C, where are the sides? 6, 8 and 10 centimeter. 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 2. Nothing but 14 plus 10. 24 by 2. Answer is 12 centimeter. What is this? This is the semi-perimeter. I can apply the formula. S is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equals to under root. Come on. Now you are very comfortable. You know how to apply the Heron's formula, and accordingly you can solve the problem very quickly and accurately also. 12 into 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 10. 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 10, which is equals to under root 12 into 6 into 4 into 2. 4 into, come on, which is equals to under root, which is equals to, I can take the common numbers out. Oh no, I can write 12 as 6 twos are 6 twos are, whereas this 6 I will not split because one more 6 is available here. 6, 4 is a perfect square, 2 I will keep it as it is. These two 6's are there, so 1 6 will come out. 2 2's are there, 1 2 will come out. 4 is a perfect square, 2 will come out. That means nothing is there inside the under root, and your answer is 12 2's are 24 centimeter square. What is this? This is area of one triangular tile. One triangular tile area you got, and it is told that such 16 tiles are there. I can continue. Therefore, area of 16 tiles is equals to 1 tile 24. It is 24 into 16. 16 4s are 64. Carry 6. 16 2s are 32 plus 6 38. 384 centimeter square is the answer. Answer of what? 16 tiles. 16 tiles. It is. Now I can write. Therefore, the cost of polishing. this into this. But even I will tell you how to solve. See, 1 centimeter square cost 1 rupees 50 paisa. Then 384 centimeters square. How much is the cost? Simple multiplication. 384 into 1.5. I will multiply with 15. 15 4s are 60, carry 6. 15 8s are 120. 126 carry 12. 15 3s are 45, 55 and 57. 1 digit per decimal point. It is 576 rupees. I can write, therefore, cost of polishing is equals to rupees 576 is the answer. Let's go for one more problem. This is neither a problem of triangle nor a problem of rhombus. It is a problem of a trapezium. Again, no doubt, it is also one type of a quadrilateral. Okay, you know the different quadrilaterals: rectangle, square, parallelogram, kite, trapezium. These are all parallelogram. These are all the different types of quadrilateral. But you should know what are the properties of a trapezium. Trapezium means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is only the property of a trapezium. Let me draw one trapezium. This is a trapezium. This is a trapezium in which these two sides are parallel to each other. What the problem says, whose parallel sides are 26 cm and 12 cm. No doubt, the longer one I can say this is 26 cm. This is 12 cm. And these two are called as the non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides. They are 15 and 17. I will write this as 15 centimeter and this as 17 centimeter. That's all. That means they have given all the four sides of a trapezium. They are asking you find the area of the field. That means that you must find the area of a trapezium. My dear children, Heron's formula can be applied only for a triangle. Only for a triangle. See, in my earlier video, I have solved the problem of quadrilaterals. What I have done? I have drawn a diagonal. So the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. And for each triangle, I can apply the Heron's formula. But now, if I draw this diagonal also, the measurement of that I am not knowing. I don't have. So always, whenever the problem of trapezium comes, single technique has to be used. See, keep in mind. After this, I will solve one more problem. But one thing I will make very clearly: whenever there is a problem of trapezium, keep in mind, you have to cut that trapezium as one parallelogram and one triangle. This is a simple technique you can use. See, trapezium has to be cut into parallelogram and triangle. How? See, I will from here, let me draw one parallel line. Parallel to what? Parallel to this. I will draw one parallel line. See here. This is a parallel line. So this is a parallel line I have drawn. This is a parallel line I have drawn. Now this trapezium becomes a parallelogram. Is it a parallelogram? Why? Why is parallelogram? Because these two are parallel. And I have drawn this is parallel to this. That means these two are also parallel. These two are also parallel because these two are parallel because it is trapezium. Already they are parallel. And I have made these two are parallel. So this is called as a parallelogram. And this is one triangle. And when it's a parallelogram, I can say that this is 17. This is also 17 centimeters as per the properties of parallelogram. That means this is a simple technique to use. Trapezium is to be converted into a parallelogram and triangle. But that's all. Now listen to me. Total is 26. Total is 26. This is 12. That means, can I say this is also 12? As per the properties of parallelogram. Out of 26, when 12 has gone, this is 14 centimeters. That means, I know all the three sides of the triangle. First you find the area of the triangle, later we will see what can be done. Come on. That means Important thing is trapezium should be converted into parallelogram and a triangle. Bus. Let us start the area of triangle. If you want, I can give the name A, B, C, D, and I can call it as M. F. Come on. BMC. BMC. Area of triangle BMC. Come on. First, semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C. It is A plus B plus C divided by 2. 17 plus 15 plus 14. 15 plus 14 divided by 2. 32, 42, 46. 46. 32, 42, 46. 46 divided by 2. Answer is 23 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Okay, let me start. S is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to under root. Come on, S. It is 23 into 23 minus 17, 23 minus 15 into 23 minus 14. 23 minus 14, which is equal to under root 23 into 6 into, right, it is 8 into 23 minus 14 is equal to 9. 23 minus 14 is equal to 9. Okay, I can see what are the things I am getting outside. It is 23 prime number. I will make it as 3 twos are. What is the advantage? I will tell you. This I will write as 4 twos. This is 9 with edges, which is equal to under root. Sorry, not under root now. I can take the outside the root. 4 is a perfect square. 2 has come out. 2 into 2 is again 4. One more 2 has come out. 9 is a perfect square. 3 has come out. What is there inside? 23 into 3 is there. 23 into 3 is there, which is equals to what? 4 is at 12. 12 root 69 centimeter square is what? Area of the triangle. Okay, you got the answer of the area of the triangle. Okay, now I have to find the area of before that, what I have to do to find the area of the parallelogram. Listen very carefully. To find the area of the parallelogram, the formula is base into height. Listen very carefully. You want the length of the height. The formula for finding the area of parallelogram is base into height. But height how much? You are not knowing. But I can say this height and this height are same. That means whatever the height of the triangle is there, that will be the height of the parallelogram also. So let me find first. Area is equals to area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Area is known to me how much? 12 root 69 is equals to half into base. Base is 14. Into height is unknown for me. Ones are 7. So if I bring it to the denominator, 12 by 7 under root 69 is equals to h. Is equals to h. This is the height. Okay. Now this height I can substitute for this problem and I will go for area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Base how much? Parallelogram is 12. 12 into height. Height is 12 by 7 under root 69. If you multiply 144 by 7 under root 69, that much centimeter square is the answer for what? Area of parallelogram. But what they ask you to find the area of the field. That means entire trapezium area has to be found. Area of trapezium means what? Parallelogram plus triangle together gives you trapezium. So I will find, therefore the area of trapezium is equals to area of parallelogram plus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Parallelogram area how much? Parallelogram area 144 by 7 under root 69 plus what about the area of triangle? Area of triangle you are getting 12 under root 69. Okay, 12 under root 69. What I can do, this is also under root 69, this is also under root 69. I can take under root 69 as a common. I will keep it outside and I will add 144 by 7 plus 12, which is equal to under root 69 will be as it is into 7 is the common LCM. 7 is the common LCM. It is 144 plus 12 sevens are 84. 84. So it is, if you add it, 140, 220, 228. 228 divided by 7 under root 69 centimeters square is the area of the trapezium. This much work has to be done. My dear children, I gave this problem where you are having under root, but usually in the examination, they will give you such a problem where you are getting a non-root, means you are getting always a natural number or an integer or a fraction or rational number you will get, but you cannot claim it as a matter of right. They may ask you such problem also, so you should be ready for all sorts of problems. So I have taken an example where you are getting a root so that you will understand how to solve the problem whenever roots are coming. But later I will give you a homework where there will not be a root in a simple way you can. But ultimately, the ultimate thing what I want to tell you, whenever the trapezium area is asked, cut into parallelogram and triangle and find the first area of triangle. Find the area of triangle using Heron's formula. After finding the area, find the height. That height will be the height of the parallelogram, and using base into height find the area of the parallelogram. Both you add, you are getting the answer. Okay, this is the problem which is in the shape of an aeroplane. The dimensions are given to you and your work is to find the area of this aeroplane. There are 5 different parts. In fact, this is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This length is 1 centimeter. I will call it as, this is my first part. This is the second part. I will call this is the third part. This is the fourth part, and this is the fifth part. So what I will do, I will find. Let me do one thing. Instead of this 1 centimeter. I will make it as 2 centimeter. This I will make 2 centimeter. Then naturally this is this I will make it as 5 centimeter. This much changes you can make. Okay, we will start now. First, I will go for part 1. First, I will find out the area of the part 1. Area of the part 1 means definitely a triangular in shape. I can go for the Heron's formula. First, I will find out the semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay? It is 4 plus 2 divided by 2. It is 10 by 2. Answer is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay? After finding the the semi-perimeter, you can find out the area. Area is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S minus C. Which is equals to under root. Under root. S. S means 5 into 5 minus A. It is 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 2. 5 minus, which is equals to under root 5 into 1 into 1 into 3. Answer is under root 15 centimeter square is the area of the first part. Area of the first part. I will go to part 2. Part 2. Second part. Second part is this one. This is very simple. This is rectangular in shape. Rectangular in shape, and the area of this is equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth. See here. This is the length. It is the entire length. This is 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. Very simple. You can say area of rectangle is equals to area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length is 6 centimeter. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. Answer is 12 centimeter square. You got the area of the second part. We are having third part. Okay, I have forgotten to write here. This is also 5 centimeter only. Okay, and this is also 2 centimeters. Okay, now I will go to the third part. So you can see this is a right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. No need to find out that we are using the Heron's formula. You can, since it's right angle triangle, you can use half into base into height. So part 3. This is part 3. Part 3. You can use the formula. Area is equals to half into base into height, which is equals to half into base. This is the base and this is the height. It is 2 into 5. 2 gets cancelled. 5 centimeter square is the area of the third part. Now it is part 4. Part 4. This is also same. This is also a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. And same measurements, same formula. I can write directly. Area is equals to 5 centimeter square. Like this same. Part 3, part 4 are same measurement. Now the important one is part 5. My dear children, in the previous problem, I have shown you whenever a trapezium comes, how to find out the area. This is exactly what? Trapezium has to be cut into 2 parts. One is parallelogram and one triangle. I will take that 5th portion here. Let me take the 5th portion here. I will take a separate figure. This length, exactly like this. This is 2 means this is also 2. This is already given 2. This is given 3. This is given 5. What I will do? I will draw one parallel line to this from here. That means a trapezium is cut into a parallelogram and a triangle. When this is 2, this is also 2. Out of this 5 centimeter, when this is 2, this is also 2 centimeter. That means what is left out? Total 5 centimeter, 2 has gone here. What is left? 3 centimeter is left here. Can you find out the area of the triangle first using Heron's formula? I will start. S is equals to what? It is A plus B plus C divided by 2. I am talking about the triangle. A plus B plus C. It is 2 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 2. My dear children, listen to me. Sometimes you may make a mistake. 2 cancelling. No. First add, then divide. 6 plus 2, 8 by 2. Answer is 4 centimeter. semi-perimeter. Now you can find out the area under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Under root, come on, s is 4 into s minus a, 4 minus 2, s minus b, 4 minus 3, again s minus c, 4 minus 3, right? Which is equals to under root 4 into 2 into 1 into 1. 4 is a perfect square, 2 will come out. 4 is a perfect square, 2 will come out. And what is the answer? Which is equals to square root of 4 is 2, 2 under root 2 centimeter square. What is this? This is whatever we got the area of triangle. But I have told you, after finding the area, what is to be done? Height has to be found. Why the height is needed? Because the area of a parallelogram is what? Parallelogram is what? Base into height. So we want this height. So height of the triangle has to be found because its area is known as well as the base is known. So I will write area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Using this formula, you have to find the height first. Area is known. 2 root 2 is the area. It is 1 by 2. Base of the triangle. Base of the triangle is 3 into height. Okay? You can cross multiply. It is equal to here cross multiply. 4 root 2 is equals to 3h. 3 will be coming to the denominator. 4 by 3 root 2 is equals to h. You got the height. Why this height will be needed for you? This can be used to find the area of the parallelogram. Now I will write area of the parallelogram is equals to area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. What is the base of the parallelogram? Base is 2. Base is 2 into height. 4 by 3 root 2. So the answer is 8 by 3 root 2 centimeter square is what? Area of parallelogram. But what I want to find the area of trapezium. Trapezium means parallelogram plus area of the triangle. I have to add both. See, very lengthy problem it is. I have to add both. I can say area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equals to what? Parallelogram plus area of parallelogram plus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of the parallelogram is how much? 8 by 3 root 2. 8 by 3 root 2 plus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle how much? It is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay. I can take root 2 as a common. Root 2 as a common into bracket. 8 by 3 plus 2. Okay. Now root 2 into bracket. LCM is 3. LCM is 3. 3 ones are multiplied by 1. 8 ones are 8. 1 3s are multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. So answer is 14 by 3 root 2 centimeter square is what? Area of the fifth part. Now my work is find the area of entire rocket. Therefore, area of rocket is equal to addition of all the 5 parts. I can say it is area of part 1 plus part 2 plus part 3 plus part 4 What is the area of the part 1? Root 15 plus part 2 12, part 3 5, part 4 5 plus part 5, it is 14 by 3 square root of 2. I can add only this much. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus root 15 plus 14 by 3 root 2. This much centimeter square is the area of the entire rocket. That is the end of the problem. This is the last problem of our Heron's formula. Let me first explain you the problem. A kite is in the shape of a square. A kite is in the shape of a square. Look at the board. A kite is in the shape of a square. This is a square, but in the shape of a kite. Diagonal 48 centimeter. Both diagonals are 48 centimeter. Both are 48 centimeter. Let me draw little more clearly. Say this is okay. This is the shape, and both diagonals are 48 and 48 centimeter. And an isosceles triangle of the base. For this, there is a base also like this. This is the base. This is the base. 6 centimeter base. 6 centimeter base. And side 4 centimeter. This is 4 and this is 4. With 3 different colors. This kite is made with 3 different colors. One color is like this here. This is a different color paper. Okay, this is the first paper, and this is the second colored paper, and this is the third colored paper. So 3 different colors are used. Okay, they are asking you what is the area of each colored paper. They are asking. For that, what we have to do? The diagonal is given. This length is given how much? 48. This is also given 48. How to start? See, this is something a different problem. What is to be done? I will tell you first. You know that the diagonals of a square bisect perpendicularly. I can start the solution like this. Diagonals of square bisect each other perpendicularly. That means, look at the board. This is 48. That means, first let me name it. A, B, C, D. Let me write it as O here. The length of AO is, I can say therefore, AO is equals to 48 divided by 2. Answer is 24 centimeter. The entire length is 48. So these two are equal because the diagonals bisect each other. This is equal to this. This is equals to this. So when this is 48, this length is 24. And when this length is also 48, the OD length is also 24. I can say, and OD is equals to half of 48 or 48 by 2. This is also 24 centimeter. Now see here. You got the length of AO 24. You got the length of OD. This is also 24. With this, using Pythagoras theorem, can you find the length of AD? Who told this is 90 degree? Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. It is a property. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So you can apply the Pythagoras theorem here and you can find the length of AD. My dear children, this is not 48. Entire length is 48. This length is how much? This is 24. This length is 24. And this is also 24. Okay? I can write in triangle, AOD. In triangle, AOD. What I can use? AD square is equals to what? AO square plus OD square. AO square plus OD square, which is equals to 24 square plus 24 square. Now listen to me. No need to find it 24 square, 24 into 24, no need to multiply. I can say 24 square plus 24 square is 2 times of 24 square. Like 4 plus 4, 2 times of 4. What did I say? 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 times of 4 is also 8. Like that 24 plus 24, if you add, it will be 2 times of 24 square. I am not going to find what is 24 square, not required. When numbers are same, you can write in this way. 2 times of 24 square. What is equals to? AD square is equals to. AD square is equals to. Therefore, AD is equals to what? Square root of 2 into 24 square. Very simple. If you are multiplying, it will take a lot of time for you. Don't do. Now, you know that the number which is a square number under root, square and square roots are getting cancelled. So 24 squares square root, 24 will come out. Root 2 will be as it is inside. You remember this point. See here. Square root of 5 square, answer is 5. Square root of 11 square, answer is 11. One square and one square root are always getting cancelled and you are getting the answer. So like that here, 24 squares square root is 24. Root 2 will be as it is here. You got the length of what? AD. You got the length of AD. Okay. Now, what I have to do? I can find the area of the first part. This area I can find how? I got this is how much? Oh no, I have to find directly. I can find the area of the square. I can find directly area of the square. I will find therefore area of square is equal to what is the formula for area of the square? Side into side. I will find side into side is the formula to find, because I can know the length of this. If this is same, all four sides are same, I can find the entire area of the square, using the formula side into side. What is each side? 24 root 2 into 24 root 2. Side into side. Okay. Root 2 into root 2 gives you 2. 24 is 576. 576. If you multiply, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 15, carry 1, 11. Am I right? 1152 centimeter square. What is this? Area of the square. Now, they ask you what is the area of each part. You know that a square, this is the diagonal, divides a triangle into two equal parts. So I can say therefore area of first part, I can say this is the first part, this is the second part. Okay, therefore area of first part which is equals to area of the second part, both are same, area of second part which is equals to, I will say 1152 divided by 2, because the entire area is 1152. I have divided into two parts, which is equals to 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, then 2 6 576 centimeters square is the area of the first part and the area of the second. Is it the end of the problem? No, I will find the area of the third part. This is the third part and you will find the area of the third part using Heron's formula. With that, we will wind up. Let me find now the area of the third part. Area of part 3. Come on. To find the area of a triangle, you need to find the semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It is 4 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 14 by 2, answer is 7. Area is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Under root, what happens? S, 7 into 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 6. Under root, 7 into 3 into 3 into 1. In fact, answer is 2 3s are there. 1 3 has come out. Under root 7 centimeter square is the area of third part. They did not ask you the total. They asked you how much paper used for each sheet. So part 1 this much area, part 2 this much area, and part 3 this much area. That is the end of the problem. Now, listen to me, students. With this, the Heron's formula comes to an end. I think almost all the questions of exercise 12.2 I have covered. Nothing is left out, but only different numbers are there. Now it is your duty. It's your duty to solve all the problems of the textbook, and you write those problems in your exam. Okay? Bye.